Your Canon camera flash keeps popping up, or it won't turn on when you need it? Flash settings can be confusing, but changing them is quick and easy. Whether you want to enable or disable them, you can do it in seconds. So let's fix it right now. Method 1. Flash control. First turn on your camera, then press on the menu button. Now scroll all the way down. Here you will see flash control options. Tap on it. Here you will get flash firing option. Tap on it. Here you will get two options like enable and disable. If you want to enable, then select enable. And if you want to disable, then select disable. Method 2. Using a button. Turn on your camera. Set the mode dial to P, TV, AV, or M. Flash control is only available in these modes. Now click on the red camera icon. Then, if you just simply look at your camera, you will see a button called WB. Then press on it. Here you will see a bolt icon on the screen. Now use the arrow button to select this bolt or flash icon. Then press the set button. And here your flash is enabled. If you want to disable it, then again press on the WB button. Now select other options except flash icon. I recommend selecting AWB. I mean auto white balance. Then press the set button to save it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.